What is up guys, Dan at the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an app password for your Google account. So first, you need to head over to your Chrome's website, and then on the right side, you need to click on these three dots, and then you need to go to the settings. After coming to the settings here, you will open the settings tab, and from here, you just simply need to go on this privacy and security option, and then here you will see your two-step verification option. But if you can't see it, that means you have already enabled the two-step verification. But to change the app password in the new tab, you need to search for mygoogle.com slash app password. I'm sorry guys, you just simply need to write myaccount.google.com slash app password, and then the app password window will open. And as you can see, when I written myaccounts.google.com slash app passwords, it opens the app passwords window. From here, I'll just simply continue, and then I'll use my passkey to verify that it's legitimate me, no one else signing in to my devices. And from here, I can just simply go to my Google accounts, and then I can set my passwords. And as you can see, this is my privacy and personalization section. From here, I just simply need to go to the security tabs, and then from here you will see your two-step verification. So to turn this on, click on this two-step verification and then click on turn on two-step verification. After turning on two-step verification, you just simply need to enter your email, password, and your passkey to turn on your two-step verification. When you're done, simply click on done, and after that, your two-step verification will open or it will turn on. And after that, in the new tab, you again need to type in myaccount.google.com slash app passwords to open the app passwords window. And then you just simply need to enter your app name, and then you need to create your new password. And you must copy your password and paste it somewhere else so that you can, if you forget in the future, you can just remember it by just seeing it, that pasted password. So this is how you can set your app password on your Chrome. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.